So today we're going to make blanched broccoli florets with roasted garlic oil. You got to see Chef Lovelace for that though. So first you cut up your broccoli or buy your florets. In a pot, bring your water to a boil. Then add your broccoli. Recover the broccoli up in the pot until it boils again and boil it for about 30 to 45 seconds depending on how firm you like it. Strain the broccoli and return it to the bowl. Now season it with salt and pepper. Then drizzle the garlic oil on and a few splashes of the roasted garlic oil. The more you put, the tastier it is. Now mix it all together and there you have it. Blanched broccoli with roasted garlic oil. Thank you for watching.